How to upload multiple video links in NotebookLM in mobile. Initially open your browser and visit NotebookLM from the search bar at the top. Tap the plus icon to create a notebook. Name it appropriately to organize your research. Here's the key step. Select the upload a source and scroll down the link section. Now choose YouTube as your source type. Gather the multiple YouTube links before uploading. Ensure the videos are public and have caption for proper processing. Paste the first video link in the provided box. Repeat the process for the additional links without needing to start over. NotebookLM will recognize and process them automatically. Review the added links to ensure they are correct and tap Insert to complete the upload. Once uploaded, NotebookLM will process the video and generate the key insights. So now you will be able to upload multiple video links at once in NotebookLM.